Hello viewers, first step is a channel where you will be getting most of the topics which are relevant, important for academics purpose for students and learners. I welcome you on this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about strategic analysis, where you will be learning lot of facets, lot of factors important and relevant with strategic management analysis in this video. If you like this channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for all videos so that whenever there is an updations in this channel, you will be getting the latest video on your channel. Now, talking about this strategic analysis. The strategic analysis of any company is a process where you first decide about your future of company for next 5 years or more. This is what is called as vision. The planning, the activities that you plan according to your vision are strategies. Now, for designing the strategy or finding the relevancy of your strategies, you need to find out your internal strength and external strength in the business environment you are working. The internal environment analysis will depend on the availability of finance, the availability of funds within the company, then the parameters or for performance measurement, then the kind of value chain that the company has, then structures and systems that the company has in HR policies for proper functioning of the company, and the style of management of the company, autocratic, bureaucratic or pragmatic in approach. Then the staffing skills, how good the company is in recruitment, promotion, performance analysis and all this, so that people are motivated in general and contributing for betterment of the company. Now, talking about the external environment, there are methods to discuss about analysis of external environment. First is PEST analysis or PEST analysis, in which you go for political, economical, social, technological and environmental and legal analysis of the company. The relevancy of the companies and its practices with respect to the parameters 6 in number which have been mentioned. In 5 forces analysis, the classical analysis of business enterprise given by Porter. It has 2 threats, calling the threat from substitutes, threat from new entry. Then there are 2 bargaining power of the first is bargaining power of suppliers and second is bargaining power of the stakeholders and employees. And at the center of it, these 4 forces creates a rivalry between the competitors. So these 5 forces models I'll be discussing in next slides. Then industry attractiveness is another parameter for analysis of external environment, where the industry is taken into account, how attractive it is to run the business, whether ROI can be achieved in the environment in which the business is operating, how fast can you recover your expenditures and how soon can you get into break-evens. Then the life cycle of the product, whether it is on the growth phase, maturity phase, decline phase, how the industry is working towards the phase. Then you go for competitor analysis. What is the strength of the competitor? how they are planning their funds, what are the HR policies, what are the vendor policy, how the value chain for the competitor is working, how the finance management is being done, how the marketing efforts and channel development activities takes place in competitor. These things will be an input for your future planning. Then market considerations, how open the market is, what are the parameters of market success, what are the conducive environment present in the market so that the company can go for expansion of its business and planning. After having understood the internal and external environment of the business, the company go for SWOT analysis. Here S stand for strength, W stand for weakness, opportunity, O and threat, T. The S and W, strength and weaknesses, are internal to the company. OT, opportunity and threats, are the external factors for the company. Strength for a company is what is your organization good at. Maybe you are good at marketing, you are good at manufacturing, product quality, you are good at vendor development, you are good at finance management. Whatever your strength is, you need to identify in the business. Weakness is what you need to improve, what are the parameters on which the other people in the market are strong than you. Opportunity is the trends, current trends in the market that you could exploit for that business growth. The threat are of different variety. First threat is losing customers. Second threat is raw materials availability and supply. Third is the energy availability and supply and use. Fourth is transport cost. Fifth is strong competitors. Once you have developed the SWOT analysis, it gives you a complete picture of developing and devising the options that you have, and then the choices that you will be making for implementation in the business so that your devices strategies can be developed and used. This is how the company go for strategic analysis for checking the relevancy of its strategies and policies.